All right, if you want to organize information neatly. Yeah, tables are perfect for that. In this full guide, I'll show you how to add and customize tables in Google Docs, step by step. First, open your document in Google Docs where you want to insert a table. Now, click on Insert in the top menu. Hover over Table, then choose how many rows and columns you need. Click to insert, and your table will appear instantly in the document. Click inside any cell and start typing your content. You can drag the borders to resize rows and columns as needed. Right-click inside the table to insert or delete rows and columns. You can change border color, background color, and alignment to make it look better. Tables are great for schedules, data, or any structured content. And yeah, that's how you add tables in Google Docs. Simple steps, and your document becomes way more organized and professional.